audience, welcome to this presentation. Today you're going to learn about XP mode on Windows 7. What am I talking about? Well, here you go. Let's give you a sample of that. What I've done was download XP mode, and as you can see, you will get two versions of it. You should get it just in case, whichever one you're going to need is 64-bit right here and your 32-bit, known as your times 86. And you should make sure that the computer you're working on is genuine, because otherwise this here genuine check will run through and see if your computer is legit. And here's a read document first of what you should do before you install XP mode onto your Windows 7 machine. Now you guys can do this. When you download Windows XP mode from Microsoft.com, that's where I got it from, you can have a text document here. You can read it. It says Windows XP mode must have Windows Virtual PC installed first in order for it to run. So there are two installation files, your times 86 and your 64-bit, which is your 32-bit and 64. Choose the appropriate install for your operating system. Okay, and it gives you a link here, Microsoft.com, download, and so forth. Let's close that out. And when you do install this, after it's done, I won't go through the process. You will see it appear here. Go to all programs, and at the very bottom here you'll see you have Windows Virtual PC, and there's XP mode here and Windows Virtual PC here. Now you have to install Virtual PC first, and even though before you install that, you got to make sure that your computer is capable of meeting the minimum requirements. And the minimum requirements are, let's see what they are. Here it is. At this website, it says you need 2 gigabytes of system RAM and a CPU that supports chip level virtualization, meaning it will support the VMware. Okay, now let's go back to where I was. And here's my favorite from my experience when I had to run this application. And Windows 95, when it was that far back, they had this compatibility improvement for that operating system. If you were running Windows ME, and you can run it in Windows 95 mode. From my experience, that was nothing like it is today. You guys really got it made today. Things have gotten easier. You guys can always Google stuff if you can't find out how to repair your issues with compatibility mode. And here's something right here. This is how it looks when you do a right click on a particular file. You can check this box off. Let me give you an example. This is just a picture. Here's the media player. If I have problems with it, right click, properties. You guys can do this. Come on. And as you can see right here, compatibility, check on that. Check this box that says run this program compatibility mode for Windows XP Service Pack 3, for an example. If you got Windows 7 and the application requires a lesser operating system, I'm not saying XP is lesser, but Windows 7 is my favorite, and it should be your guys's too, because it's really cool. A lot of stuff you can learn from Windows 7. Just click OK. For my instance, I won't. Excuse me. So as you can see, when you download it, you'll find one of these, that whichever one you're going to be using, a 32-bit or 64-bit, just keep in mind. And after you're done with this install, everything will work out just great. Oh, class is going to start soon, so hey, I hope you all learned something from this today. Have a wonderful day.